What up, guys?
Welcome to the Game Boys. Today we have another
on?
awesome video for you. Today is for those who like fashion, who like pop culture. And why don't we take the two and we can mash them together, alright? Today is a video on socks. Not just any kind of socks, fashion socks. Not kind of any fashion socks.
12 days of socks.
12 days of socks. Alright, these here is whatever, a Christmas present I was given. And it features 3 different boxes that include 12 pairs of socks. Now each one comes with 6 short and 6 long socks. I don't know what the professional term is, crew and or low cut, or the 2 different types. Alright, so I have 3 different styles for you. The first one I'm just throwing around here is Rick and Morty, followed by Star Wars, and at last Hogwarts, Harry Potter. Alright, this is the perfect gift for anyone who likes pop culture. Honestly, I have no idea if there's more different types of these, but these are 3 that can pretty much appeal to anyone who is into watching movies, TV. Someone you know definitely likes one of these 3. So excellent gift to give someone, and also people who like socks. Dylan really gets it going for socks. Yeah. And honestly, I wear black socks all the time, so it'd be lit to add some flavor into it.
I got the Rick and Morty ones, brother. I got the Rick and Morty ones, and there's some crazy ass looking ones.
Yeah, he already opened his and knows what's inside them. I got all 3. He only got Rick and Morty, so I have no idea what we're about to open. So I'm gonna open it up for you. We're gonna check them out, and you know, if I hate them, you know, I'll just throw them out. Alright, let's get going. Let's start off with Rick and Morty. Alright, here we go. This box came out real easy. Oh yeah, rain of socks! Woo!
It's the same amount, same ones that I got. That's all.
That was dangerous. Yeah, that's all of them.
These are all the same ones that I got, so.
Yeah, it's not a mystery box with socks. Alright, so you get what you get.
Don't get upset.
And the space dude. Show me what you got. Heads. This is a long pair of socks. Beautiful. Delicious. Alright, number 2. Rick and Morty and the spaceship. These are the low-cut socks. Gorgeous. This is awesome. Screaming sun. Alright, from that one planet where they're like, oh, this is nice. And then the sun came up and it screamed the whole time. So, Screaming Sun, low cut. Of course, any Rick and Morty fan will recognize this face right away. This is Mr. Meeseeks. Alright, hope you get any job done in the zoo. This is a long pair. Long pairs are called crew?
Crew socks, yep.
Why?
I don't know.
Who made that up?
Someone.
His last name is probably Crew. He's a real jerk, probably, too. Alright, this is Tiny Rick.
Tiny Rick.
Woo! Short socks.
Vat in the garage.
Short socks don't get, tying a vat in the garage. Tiny socks don't get a name, they just get low cut, and these get crew socks.
Yep.
That's kind of racist. Alright, this is Anatomy Park. I only seem to have one here.
Right there, right next to Pickle. Right there, right in front of you.
Oh, there it is. Alright, Anatomy Park, low cut. This is, of course, time portal, zap across the universe wherever you want.
I like those ones a lot.
Just straight up portal socks, long.
Crew.
Alright.
Pickle
Rick. Long socks, lit.
I like those a lot.
God damn, I don't even know, what even is this? I think they just made this up.
Yeah.
This is like Hip Hop Rick from the 80s.
I like the colors a lot.
DJ. Yeah, it's kind of cool. That's long socks. Here's Rick and Evil Morty. Alright, we're bound to see more Evil Morty coming in the newer season. Damn, dude, there's so many freaking socks. Alright, this guy from the
Superhero.
The superhero episode, what was it called? Something with a V. I don't know. Sue me. This is the janitor dude who Rick kept making jokes to and he kept laughing. Lit. And then, of course, Council of Ricks, and these are the short socks. Lit. You know, we should name it like, these are crew, why don't we just reverse it? Like, work. These are work socks. W-E-R-C. Work socks. I just coined something. Game Boys. Alright, that is Rick and Morty.
Next.
Alright.
Those are lit. I like those a lot.
Socks. Alright, Star Wars. I'm a huge Star Wars fan. Always have been.
I'm gonna show off the box.
Alright, Vader coming in. Ooh, scary. Alright, same deal going on. 12 days of socks, 6 low, 6 crew, and 6 work. Alright, let's get this puppy open. Make it open. First off, R2-D2, low cut socks. Pretty sexy. Shit brown. I mean, this is Chewbacca. Chewbacca socks. Lit. Low cut. High socks.
True.
These are. Don't correct me, alright? You're embarrassing me. Alright, these are Death Star Imperial socks. Looks like they got some red lightsabers and the Imperial symbol and TIE Fighter and the Death Star. Lit. Long socks.
Know your stuff.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is Darth Vader. Black with a little red work socks. Of course, the Rebel symbol. I like these colors. These are nice.
Like some Mets Islanders colors right there. Next, we're from New York, so
I don't know. These are just colors. Alright, this are crew socks. Lit. Yoda. Crew socks. Lit.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Alright, may the force be with you. Long, crew socks, with just a simple rebel symbol. Alright, simple, whatever. Lit. Stormtrooper, thank you. Crew, work socks, short ones, little ones, shebang, lit. AT-AT, at, socks. I'm pretty sure everyone calls it AT-AT, but it's an at. I think it's the technical, real way to say it. Which is stupid. AT-AT sounds way better.
At.
Work socks. Yeah. Oh, here comes the at. What? Did you just have a stroke? Why'd you say that word twice? The Ewoks who brought down the Imperial Army. Well, that's kind of stupid. the plot. The socks are lit. Ewoks are cool. Little teddy bears.
Oh, those are lit. I like
C-3PO. Long socks. Lit. Very cool.
Oh,
and
you like those ones.
My boy, Boba Fett. I'm a big Boba Fett fan, although he only has 5 lines in all of the movies.
Sure.
Alright, last
Boba
one,
Fett
Hogwarts. I'm already opening it without displaying to you. It's selfish of me. Hogwarts, 12 Days of Socks, Harry Potter fans. Cool.
Open the box. There we go. Dude, I opened my box way better than you did.
Listen, man. There's no bragging on Game Boys. Only when I'm doing it. Alright, Harry Potter. Who's not a Harry Potter fan, honestly?
Me.
Chicks love Harry Potter. Alright. A lot of dudes like Harry Potter.
Except me.
Alright, I like Harry Potter. And here it comes. Alright, you can probably see me, so I'm gonna mount up. Alright, alright, Harry Potter. I think I flung the sock when I did that. Alright, Harry Potter socks. Here we go.
You're on your own. I don't know anything about this.
Alright. I've always been on my own. Alright, this is
You don't know.
the little different houses. Alright, long socks with Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Slytherin. Little symbols on the socks.
Lit.
This is the Marauder map. Mischief managed. Mischief managed. It says Mischief managed. They're red, they're long, they got footprints on them. Sounds like the Marauder map or something regarding Mischief. Boom. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Death Eater socks. Death Eaters are freaking lit. It says Death Eaters are among us. Gray crew socks. Pretty cool. These two don't go together. Alright, the Deathly Hollows symbol. Pretty cool. A lot of people get this tattooed on them. I wouldn't. Pretty cool. What is this? I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good. Very famous Harry Potter quote. Long crew socks. Gray.
Let's get it.
Alright, here is, yeah. Here it is. Here's the houses again in work style. Little ones. Cool. Here's just the colors of the houses. Oh, these are,
Birds.
these are the, little snitches. Snitches that you catch when you play Quidditch.
Snitches.
In...
Stitches.
Okay. Exactly. And these are the, different house colors. Cool. Crew sock. Alright, these are like Harry Potter, specifically socks. Glasses, Deathly Hollows, HP, not health points, hit points.
Hit points.
Harry Potter. Yeah, the HP stands for hit points.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I didn't know what you're talking about.
Just in general.
Okay.
It's I don't know. These are all. Oh, okay. And these are individual house socks. I don't have to show off each one of these, but here's Ravenclaw. All right, Slytherin, and Hufflepuff. I don't think there was a Gryffindor, unless I threw it.
Don't see it.
All right, no Gryffindor. That's
Nope.
strange, but I guess Harry Potter is in Gryffindor, so like everything is Harry Potter themed. All right, and here are the socks. All right, here are the work socks. All right, and here are the crew socks. Oh.
Oh god.
All right, and there you have it. Game Boys. 12 Days of Christmas.
What,
I mean
36 socks?
36 socks.
That's crazy.
Opened in like a couple minutes. Where else are you gonna get that stuff besides Game Boys? If you like this video, comment, subscribe, let us know what else you like. Did you like these socks? Some are pretty cool.
Some you guys got these.
Some I probably wouldn't wear. Are there other types? I like things. Tell me what I should do. Alright? Thank you. Goodbye. Good night. Game Boys.
We out.
Peace.
Peace.
Woo!